how to make all your videos unlisted on at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to YouTube and now go to the YouTube studio of your channel. For example, this is my YouTube studio. Now go here on content. Right here on this page you will find your content, your videos. Now select them all from here. As you can see, all my 2 videos are selected. If you have more, everything is gonna be selected. Now all what you have to do is click on edit, click on visibility, and right here click on unlisted and click update videos, and all your videos are gonna be unlisted successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.